Our agencies have to have clear standards. We have to avoid writing every piece of business that comes across our desk because loss ratios are a nightmare waiting to happen in a shifting market. Hello, friends. Stephen Harrington, Dakota Diva of Insurance with Agency Performance Partners. Going to spend a few minutes today talking about, are we in a hard or soft market? One of the biggest questions floating around the industry right now is, are we still in a hard market or are things starting to soften? If you've been living in renewal chaos, rate increases, and underwriting no's, you are not just imagining it. We were in one of the toughest hard markets we've seen in decades, but here's a twist. It is shifting slowly, carefully, and that means opportunity is knocking if we know how to handle it. So let's break it down in a way that's easy to understand. In a hard market, rates skyrocket, underwriting tightens, and getting anything approved feels like climbing Mount Everest. Carriers get cautious, clients get cranky, and agents work even harder to make even less. In a soft market, things start to open up. Rates drop, underwriting loosens, and there's more flexibility, but it also means a sneaky little problem. Premium shrinkage. Your clients might be happier with the lower rates, but your book of business, it just got smaller, and that means less revenue for your agency. In the harder market, we lost policy count, but we grew through rate increase. Now we have less policies to renew, and the rates are going to start to lower or soften. We're going to be in for a world of adventure. So how do we win this kind of environment? We're going to talk about a couple of tips for a game plan to focus on. Step 1, we have to master the renewal review. We cannot let automatic renewals walk out the door. We have to review coverage. We have to look for cross-selling opportunities. We have to plug some of those premium leaks before they happen, and we have to build relationships with our clients. Step number 2, focus on quality over quantity. Just because a carrier says yes doesn't mean we should. Our agencies have to have clear standards. We have to avoid writing every piece of business that comes across our desk because loss ratios are a nightmare waiting to happen in a shifting market. We also have to get super nerdy about coverage, so this is step 3. This is our time to shine as a trusted advisor. We have to know our stuff. From cyber coverage to usage-based auto programs, the more we understand, the easier it is to explain, sell, and retain. Number 4, target higher value clients. If premiums are dropping, chase bigger accounts and bundle policies. That's how you're going to protect your revenue and keep growing even as the market softens. So here's the truth. The move from hard to soft isn't a finish line, it's a reset button. Premiums may go down, but your professionalism standards and your sales process have got to go up. The agencies that thrive aren't the ones who react, they're the ones who plan. So let's tighten our renewal processes, strengthen our team's product knowledge, and make sure every client conversation builds value, not just focused on price. If you want to dive deeper into how to navigate this transition like a pro, you can check out our 4-part series, How to Manage a Soft Insurance Market, where we'll walk you step by step through renewal mastery, smart remarketing, and building a growth-focused sales process that keeps your agency winning, no matter what the market does next. Until next time, friends, we will see you soon.